Greetings from the Nordic paradise. This is Oxnö, Klippbad. This beautiful, natural, rocky beach. Super amazing. Look at that. What a beautiful evening here in Stockholm region in this natural beauty that you can find your own inner peace in these beautiful rocks out on the Baltic Sea. Amazing. Yes, it is a wonderful Tuesday, 5th of September, almost 5 p.m. and 22 degrees Celsius in the air. And I have been cycling to get here, and you can see my cube over there in the forest. It took me 38 kilometers from my home in Högdalen, around 1 hour and 20 minutes. And I was driving or riding quite fast. There it is. And you can see also the forest. And this is actually where I have been camping 3 years ago or 2 years ago on these very rocks with my sleeping bag. Where I spent the night between Saturday and Sunday, and I was exploring Stockholm region, and this nature over here is so beautiful. And yes, it is allowed in Sweden to camp outside as long as you are not close to a house or not in a national park. But in nature reserve like this one, it's allowed because it's a free country and nature is for everyone, like it should be. Amazing, amazing. It's beach day number 127 today, and I'm so happy that September is giving us super nice weather, even better than August for Sweden. And I will then find now a spot to go into the water because it is a beautiful day, and this is Beach Adventures with Kris, where we explore beautiful destinations in Sweden every single day. And Stockholm, of course, as the major region in Sweden, has the best archipelago and many beautiful beaches, not just on the Baltic Sea, but also on the many lakes in the region. And look at that, it's amazing, absolutely amazing. Now let's find a nice way in. And yes, I forgot my water thermometer because we are measuring the water every single day. And the sea, I haven't checked it now for 10 days almost, as I was on vacation in Cyprus. I came back yesterday early morning actually. So I already had one episode, but it was on a lake, Flatten. Check out that video as well from yesterday. And here we can see if the Baltic Sea has reached 16 degrees or even colder. I'm not sure. We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out very soon as we enjoy the beautiful view over here. Let's test the water. Yep, quite cold. Quite cold. I just love this kind of setting with beautiful rocks to enjoy. Isn't it amazing? Beautiful. Beautiful. Cool. Then I guess we shall not wait any longer and we will dive in right away. Oh, salty sea is the best. Not as salty as Mediterranean Sea, of course, but salty for Swedish measurement. Ooh, it's cold. It's cold, but it's good that I've been cycling for 1 hour and 20 minutes. So It's beautiful. I'm standing right here actually. There are some rocks beneath me. Look at that. Oh, what I miss this place. And it's a shame I haven't visited this earlier this year. But it's awesome that September is giving us awesome weather. And we're gonna enjoy that. Let's check out the temperature together. Oh, it's not that cold actually. 18 degrees Celsius. Look at that. Oh, all right. Yesterday in the Flatten Lake was 19 degrees, so the sea is almost the same on this 5th of September. Brilliant, brilliant. Let's dive in once again and then wrap up for this episode. All right. Amazing. I'm so blessed to be living in Sweden and enjoy this wonderful, beautiful nature out on the sea. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoy this sea adventure here in Stockholm. Actually, this is in Haninge Municipality. Beautiful municipality with many beautiful beaches out on the Baltic Sea. And don't forget to subscribe to follow more such adventures on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris!